Product specifications are subject to change without notice for quality improvement, etc. For exact understanding, we recommend you to watch this video with catalog or manual. Bypass ATS consists of a bypass switch and the main ATS. In case of repair, inspection, and replacement of general ATS, power outage inevitably occurs. The bypass ATS can repair, inspect, and replace the main ATS without power outage of load through the bypass switch, which can indirectly supply power. It is an ATS that can be used as the main ATS and applied to various types of products such as PC, PCN, PSO, CTTS, and TBN. The main ATS of the product currently being described is the PCN type, which can be stopped, off, in the middle by the trip device. Manual operation is possible using the manual lever inlet, B-Power input selection button, and trip button. You can also check the operating status of the product through the on-off indicators at A and B power sides. The two buttons can be operated using drivers. The current product state is A and B power off state, which is in a neutral position. Let me explain the PCN ATS manual operation method. Insert the manual lever in the inlet and lower it to insert A on into the A side power. Press the trip button in the A on state and the A power will be switched off. Lower the manual lever while pressing the B power input selection button, and it is inserted into B side power B on. Press the trip button in the B on state and the B power will be switched off. Let me explain how to use the bypass switch. You must insert it into the power side similar to the one inserted into the main ATS. After checking the main ATS A side input state, move the bypass power selection lever from ATS position to A power bypass to insert the bypass switch into the A side in parallel. After inserting the manual handle for bypass into the manual handle lever, turn it in the direction of A power on and insert the bypass switch into the A side. While the current state is A side bypass, you can continue to supply power to the load even if the main ATS is switched off for drawout. How to draw out the main ATS. You can draw out the main ATS in both power-off states. The current state is on the A side. Press the trip button to switch it off. Lift the drawout lever on both sides of the product to make the drawout state available. Insert the output handle into the inlet and move it up to draw out the product. In this state, you can inspect or replace the main ATS. Method of completing the inspection or replacing the main ATS. Insert the drawout handle into the inlet and push it to the lower side to insert the product. After the input, be sure to lower the lever for locking. As the bypass switch has been inserted into the A power, insert the main ATS into the A side. After inserting the manual handle for bypass into the manual handle lever, turn it in the direction of A power off and turn off the bypass switch. Move the bypass power selection lever from A power position to the ATS position. In this way, the bypass switch completes its operation and starts to resupply power to the main ATS.